Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei P40 Pro. So what we need is next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. You will find it here down the phone in the instruction box. So here it is, so just put your finger here like this inside and remove it like this with a bit of pressure. And otherwise you could use also of course the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find down the phone this SIM tray. It is this part here, and the part of the SIM tray is a little hole in there. Please don't take this one next to the SIM tray because this is the microphone, so please take care. We need this little hole here in the SIM tray, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip, we enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So this SIM tray you can enter 2 SIM cards, so one up and one down. And at the one down, you have to decide between a second SIM card or an M card, so a nano SD card if you want to extend the internal storage. So, but I will show you now in that video how it works with the SIM cards. So let's take the first SIM card. So SIM 1 is written here, as you can see. And we take the first SIM card and put it like this. So the contacts are on the top, and inserted it with the missing corner and the missing corner here. And you will hear a little click, and then you know that it's completely inserted, so it has to look like this then. And if you want, you can enter also a second SIM card, so this is optional, you can also use just one. So you put it also like this here, so missing corner, and enter it until you hear the click. So the contacts are up, and it has to look like this then at the end. So then you can put your construction like this. So the first SIM card is on the top. Then you put back the construction here in the phone like this. And that's it. Be sure that it's completely closed because the phone is waterproofed, as you know. And yeah, that's it, as I said. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.